What is up, peeps? Today we are gonna be playing some Minecraft. Alright. So I'm gonna be showing you a couple of my worlds like I did in the last video. But I showed you this one already, but I did I did a bunk bed on it. So you just climb up on the ladder. I feel like I changed I added a pool. And then, yeah, that's all I need to show you in that world. Now, the next one, which is, I think, this is the one, I think. Hopefully. Or, yes, it is one, I think. Yes. I already showed you that house, I think. Yeah. For sale for $1,000. And it says only $1,000. I think I stopped right here. Comment down below if you want next video, which is gonna be right after this one. If you want to see me, actually comment right now. What you can't. I'm gonna finish this half of the floor, then I'll move on to my beach house and stuff. Yeah, I do not know if I showed you yet. I think I did. Comment if you like this house. Hopefully you like the beach house. Go. Just gonna finish this half now. Oh yeah, if you didn't know. Also right here, it's gonna be the back. Okay. No, that's pretty good. Okay, I'll show you my beach house now. It is right. Dang it, wrong one. Dang it. Oh, dang it. No. I don't want to show you that one. It's special. Okay. Here we go. I'll show you this house first. So it has one of my favorite bedrooms. Got the pool. couch, TV. We got a pole right here that you can literally go like under. Look, like that. We got your gaming chair and PC. Now this is my favorite. And then yeah. Bookshelf. We got. If you could see, you could see a reflection of the thingy. I'm not going to show you that yet. I'll show you upstairs. Okay. Not going to show you that. We got the water dispenser, the shower / bath, then like the kitchen thingy. I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to show you the bottom though, even though I'm not finished. Alright. Boom. It's gonna be right there. Now look how far we are now. Just go. Fill that in with that. There we go. And that. So I think that does it for this house. Saw something over here. It was like part of it or something. I don't know. Hey, Cam. Alright, anyway, let's go to the house. I made every single house by myself, but it was hard. Did any of my sea turtles grow? Yes, 2 of them did actually. Yeah, there used to be one right here, and there used to be one right there. Okay. Alright, there. That's the full. Inside we got the modern table. Don't know why it is super dark. I'm gonna add some lights inside. Actually, I don't know if I'm finished with this one yet. Because I need the second floor too, right here. We got the bar. Toilet, mirror. Got this. Bunk beds. We got dresser, balcony right here. We got the horses in the back. No, I'm just kidding. TV and the couch. Comment down below what I should add on the second floor. Wait, I forgot to show you. It's a big balcony. Now, where was it? Here it was. So basically, it would be a huge thing. Just go down here and you'll be underwater. And you go down here. And it would be next story to the bottom. Now I just need glass. To fill all of this in. I know how to get rid of the water. So, that's good. Go. Go. I don't know what happened right here, though. Okay. I play Minecraft for a specific reason, because Fortnite is not even a good game. Like I said in my other video, Phase Fairy, my brother Joseph, and if Andres is watching, which is one of Joseph's best friends, then hello. And shout out to you. Shout out to Sebastian, Teeb, and yeah, so I'll give out shout outs to you guys that subscribe and ring that bell. So hopefully I get a lot of subscribers so you could Hey, Teeter. It's gonna be a while. Well, like 5 minutes. I watch some Minecraft videos sometimes, and they usually have cringy people that don't speak good, like me. But we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about, I don't know. Okay, we're on our last row. Last row right here. Let's fill it up. Wait.